In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the email address of your channel in Microsoft Teams. This is a super useful feature for anyone looking to integrate external communications directly into their team channels, making collaboration smoother and more centralized. The first step in this straightforward process is to open your Microsoft Teams application. Whether you're using the dedicated desktop client installed on your computer, accessing the web version through your preferred browser, or even utilizing the mobile app on your smartphone or tablet, your goal is to locate and click on the Teams icon. This icon typically represents the main hub of your collaborative workspace, providing immediate access to all the different teams and channels you are a part of within your organization. Think of it as your primary gateway into the entire platform, where all your project communications reside. Once you've successfully launched and are fully inside the Microsoft Teams environment, you're perfectly ready to proceed to the next crucial step to pinpoint the specific channel whose email address you need to retrieve. After you've successfully navigated into the Microsoft Teams application and are viewing your main interface, your very next action is to select the specific channel you're interested in. On the left-hand side of your Teams window, you'll observe a clear and organized list of your various teams, and nested directly beneath each team, you'll find its respective channels. It's important to grasp the distinction here. A team functions as a larger group for a project or department, while channels are more granular, dedicated sections within those teams, often focused on specific topics or ongoing discussions. For example, you might belong to a marketing team, which then contains focused channels like general announcements or campaign planning. Carefully browse through this navigation pane and click on the precise channel whose unique email address you wish to retrieve. Remember, each channel possesses its own distinct email address, so choosing the absolutely correct one is vital to ensure you're directing incoming communications to the right place within your team. With your desired channel now prominently selected and open in front of you on your screen, the next logical thing you'll need to do is locate the More Channel options. This crucial selection point is almost always represented by an ellipsis, which visually looks like 3 horizontal dots, and you'll typically find it conveniently situated in the upper right-hand corner of the channel header. This header is the distinct bar at the very top of your channel view that prominently displays the channel's name and its description. The 3 dots icon serves as a universal indicator in countless applications, signifying that there are additional settings, various management actions, or a comprehensive drop-down menu available for that specific element or area. Clicking on this familiar icon will instantly reveal a context-sensitive menu that presents a range of management and interaction options pertinent exclusively to that particular channel, thereby paving the way for us to effortlessly find and retrieve its unique email address. Once you've successfully clicked on the More Channel Options icon, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several choices for managing and interacting with your selected channel. Among these valuable options, you will clearly see one labeled Get Email Address. This is precisely the feature we need. Upon clicking Get Email Address, a small window will pop up, prominently displaying the unique email address that has been assigned to that particular channel. This specialized email address is incredibly useful, as it allows anyone to send messages or forward important files directly into the channel, seamlessly transforming external emails into interactive channel conversations. You'll typically observe a convenient copy button positioned right next to the email address within this pop-up. Make sure to click this button to instantly copy the entire address to your clipboard. This makes it ready for you to paste wherever needed, whether that's into your email client, another application, or for configuring an automated integration. This robust feature is a powerful tool for streamlining information flow and ensuring all important external communications are captured directly within your team's centralized collaborative space.